So how was service last night?
It was a wonderful service last night.
And where you went last night?
Trenton. We were way to Trenton.
Yeah, famous Trenton, huh?
I said I was sitting down there.
Mm-hmm.
People coming.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, the lady, the head of the church,
Mm-hmm.
she knows me very well.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as she see me, she said, "You look so beautiful. You look beautiful." I said, "Thank you, mother." He said, "Mother, you look beautiful." I said, "Thank you." I said it now.
Well, you were so last night. You had your black and white dress on.
Yeah.
That's a pretty dress.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So I was sitting down.
Mm-hmm.
The music started.
Mm-hmm.
We all got up, we clapping together.
Mm-hmm.
They said, "Turn to your neighbor and say, I love you."
Mm-hmm.
Turn to you. I said, everybody, we turning to our neighbor, we turning. I said, "Lord Jesus."
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is a thing God was giving me. And I was in that kitchen 24 hours.
We're in Liberia, right?
We're in Liberia.
Deep in Bon County.
I said, "Lord, I don't know how to say thank you to you, God. Oh, Jesus, thank you." And I was there, bucket in my basket on my head, going from bush to bush, from Banga.
Okay, that in Banga now you're talking about.
Banga, I'm talking about.
Mm-hmm.
From farm to farm, from
Village
bush,
to village.
from village to village, looking for bitter ball, looking for okra, looking for bitter and pepper, looking for orange, looking for ground beef.
Looking for it for what? That the people didn't used to say.
That a market.
Oh.
What market, man? I have all my children. No struggle. The struggle continue.
There's no support.
No support when they. But first thing, I tell God, thank you for the woman,
Who?
neighbor man. She the one make me to stay back. When she see me, she said, "Oh,
Okay.
Bango." I didn't know the Bango name. But I had it back home, they used to call me Bango. So she said, "Bango, you're not going back home." Here, I said, "What a woman talking." It's a long story, man. I can't end it.
Yeah.
Let me just make it short.
Asking you about the church. Now you carry it to that other story there.
Yeah, but the story, it's good to have story in your mind to say to your children who want to listen to it. Because I can tell this story over and over. Maybe you can say the woman can make it with a long story. So according to short.
Yeah.
I said,
So let's go back to the church. You were in the church.
I was in Trenton.
Yeah.
When they say Trenton to serve, that's a big place. Church. And every time we go there, I say, "Lord." I mean, when I said that, I can just look at myself in the place. I said,
That means it.
That means sitting now among the black American people.
You can put black there.
Yeah.
Why?
The white, black, everybody was there with equal.
Yeah.
I sitting down, I said, "Lord." I said, "My people, when you in hard time, don't say you will stay there.
Forever.
But the only thing, have hope in Jesus." My problem, my thing I used to say that I came to.
What?
I used to sit and say, all the things I'm doing, but I got hope in Jesus. It will not leave me like that. I will be somewhere good. I'll be sitting down there. I will not look for slipper. I will not look for shoe. I will not look for lapa. My one lapa was Sunday go to a meeting. When I was that blue lapa, I put blue and stars here and hang it and dry. Put it on me.
To the administration building.
Hey, administration building that was my clothes. In Banga. That who want work, what I got, I say, oh, thank God, I can go. What the money? $75 for whole month.
You?
They were paying everyone else.
But at least there was something.
But I late that they want to take me from going to the market when we come from there. I take my bear, I going to what they play name? To the market ground. Not one night. I bang penny are talking and not one night. You hear me? So when I was standing there, I can just be look at myself. I say, Lord, thank you. That means they here, sitting down, and Monday people
Talking American English.
are speaking American English. Hi, Oma, how are you? I said, I was fine. Yeah. Where you from? I said, oh, I'm from Liberia, Africa. Oh, yeah. How long you been here? I said, hey, I can't even tell you how long I've been here.